Find the zeros of f of x equals 2x minus 1 in parentheses and x minus 5 in parentheses. All right, well, finding the zeros is another way of saying let f of x equals 0, and we have zero product property going on here, like so. The only thing I did is I let f of x equals 0. Zero product property says if you have a times b, or two things or more multiplied together and it all equals 0, set each of those factors equal to 0. So this times that equals 0, which means this equals 0 and that equals 0. And it's just a matter of you solving both of them individually. So the guy on the left, I add 1, like so. 2x equals 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 1/2. That's one option. This guy you add 5, and of course you probably could have looked at this and said, oh, that's just x minus 5, so the answer is going to be x equals 5. And if you thought that correctly. So that's my second option. So my zeros are going to be x equals 1/2 and also x equals 5. And that is how you do it.